This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
It is cold and windy with blowing snow and feels like temperatures that are already right around -20 for parts of West Michigan. We have a cold weather advisory through 10 a.m. tomorrow for wind chills that could be as low as -25 in spots. And we've already seen some of these drop down to -20 for Kalamazoo. Battle Creek not far behind at -19. Three Rivers and Coldwater feeling like -18 right now. Brutal wind chills. Even Grand Rapids, which is marginally warmer, feeling like -15. But some of our northern counties are feeling a little better, feeling like 0 to around -2. But that cold air will be making it up there as well. We also have a winter weather advisory that starts at midnight and runs through 7 p.m. tomorrow. Overall, we'll get 2 to 4 inches of snow through several waves of snow. But with that starting overnight, plus the blowing snow aspect of this event as well, it's going to lead to a difficult and dangerous morning commute. With it being so cold, the snow blows around really quickly, and it also acts like pretty much ice on the roads, so it's really hard to get traction, and with more of the snow starting to filter in, this will be a problem through tomorrow morning. Actual temperatures are near 0 for a lot of spots and single digits for many, with pockets of snow starting to drift through. One lifting to the north out of Ottawa and Kent counties into Muskegon County and Newaygo County, and what we see out over Lake Michigan is the warm front. This is going to help rise temperatures just a few degrees as it moves through, and then the cold front will help to crash them back down again right around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow. With this being said, as we have the warm front lifting in, that's also going to help to bring in our better snow chances throughout the overnight. Temperatures probably are at their lowest point right now. Some of us are 0, some of us are 5 or 6. We'll eventually see our temperatures get back up into the teens by 7 a.m. All while we'll continue to see some of that heavier snow. Then temperatures will fall back down to around 12 degrees as we continue to have pockets of snow through the rest of the day tomorrow behind our cold front. We have the heaviest snow likely along and north of 96 between now and around 2 or 3 a.m. and then this will start to transition a little more to lake effect snow in the middle afternoon hours. We'll probably end up seeing some decently heavy corridors of snow along the 31 corridor down towards 196 and continue to see this on and off throughout the day. With the gusty winds, we'll be able to pull some of that lake effect snow pretty far to the east, and this model does show a lot of those snow bands reaching decently far inland. This will be more hit or miss snow, and it will start to diminish a little bit as we go into Wednesday. We're still going to have some snow on Wednesday, but just not as much as tomorrow. Well, overall, our snow amounts will probably be in the 2 to maybe 5-inch range with some higher totals farther to the north, but it's the blowing snow, the difficult road conditions that are going to make this really problematic for us. And unfortunately, these big low pressure systems just keep kind of circling in the Hudson Bay region of Canada, continuing to push rounds of Arctic air down. More of that continues for us this week, but as we get into the weekend, things start to get a little bit better. Still, high temperatures in the teens, mornings in the single digits. That is what we are headed for the rest of the week until we get towards the weekend.